Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This time I will be doing the bonus love read for 4 signs which are Libra, Capricorn, Virgo and Pisces as they got the most views. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the sign of Pisces. So let's see. Will they propose to you? Whoever it is that you really wish that they propose to you one day for marriage. Let's see. Will they propose to you? Yes or no for my fishies. I will be adding charms. I will be pulling out oracle cards in this reading as well. So stay tuned and while we shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So it seems like, there is an ending happening. Either it's happening right now or there will be an ending before they propose to you. The proposal that's going to come in is going to come in very unexpectedly. Maybe after you end a connection with this person, when you are in no communication with this person, when you are not talking to each other, this person might come in with a marriage proposal. So the scenario when you are going to receive a marriage proposal coming from this person will be no communication. That will be kind of stressing you a lot, but then comes a proposal and that's gonna change things for you. So seems like if you are upset, with the idea that they are not talking to you, there is no communication, there is bad situation between the two of you, and if you really love this person, if you really have that belief that yes, you both are destined to come together, then you can definitely expect a proposal coming in from this person unexpectedly. Because since you guys are not talking, since there's a lot of stress that you are taking around the connection, you feel that the connection could have been already get finished between the two of you. You might feel like your person and you have ended and maybe they have moved on or something. The feeling of an ending is pretty much there when you are going to accept this marriage proposal. If you are still talking to this person, maybe there will be time coming in the connection where you are going to end the connection with your person. Either they are going to end or you are going to end, and after that ending there's a new beginning coming in, which will be which will start with an unexpected marriage proposal. Let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have. Will they propose to you? Let's take one last card for this question and then we will ask other questions. Will they propose to you? Yes or no? Knight of Cups. The proposal will come in very slow, but it will definitely come in. And direct we do have the World. Things will change out of nowhere when they did. So again, it will be more like you will be stressed. It's over. Satya said the proposal will come in. Situation just ended or they have ended for quite some time already. You are taking stress, and then in the middle of that there is the belief that yes, it will happen. So it will happen. If you don't have that belief, if you have a feeling that maybe it will never happen, then trust me, it will never happen. If you have that firm faith, firm belief in your affirmations, prayers, and you have a strong connection with this person as well, on a deeper level, it's more of a soulful connection. If you feel that love, if you feel that connection with your person, then yes, the proposal will definitely come in the most unexpected way. Let's see their current energies for you right now. What is it that they truly feel for you right now? What is it that they deeply feel for you right now? What is it that they truly and deeply feel for you right now? What is it? What is it? What is it? 3 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 4 of Cups. They really want to get done with something for them, so they could come forward with proposal. There is something happening in their life which is basically preparing them to come forward and propose you for this marriage proposal. Now again, there is something which is happening in their life, or there could be happening something in their life which is kind of keeping them busy. As they get done with this, they will come forward with the proposal. So they do feel that they will reach out to you once they are done with it, whatever it is that is taking their time and energy right now. And once they are ready, once they believe that they can give the connection the justice, this person will come forward with the proposal. And again, them coming forward with the proposal itself is going to be a big change in the situation, where you would not be expecting them to propose to you. And then since they would be like, having the guards up, you would not even expect them to come forward with any message even, and then they come in with the marriage proposal, which is again going to be so unexpected. If you are in no communication, start expecting as if your wish is being granted at right this very moment. Stop confusing yourself by thinking any thought that make you feel like moving on. Because if you are in that zone where you yourself thinking at times that maybe I should move on, maybe I should wait for this person, then it's gonna get even more delayed. If you stick your focus, and if you put your focus onto just one thing, one intention, one thought around this connection, they proposed you for marriage and now you're officially engaged. They proposed you for marriage and now you're officially engaged. You can name the person and say that affirmation. If you stick to that idea, if you stick to that thought, if you stick to that affirmation and you keep repeating that to yourself, they will come in with the marriage proposal and you will get officially engaged to this person very soon. So I feel like, they definitely will come in with the marriage proposal. Yes, I do see that there could be some delays. There could be some things which stopping this person right now, but they will come in with the marriage proposal for sure. So just hold on, just wait on for them. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. I feel like, there's a lot that you don't know about each other. There's a lot, as in, how there are certain things that you feel connected with each other on, but then there's so many things that you haven't maybe spoken about. How do they feel about certain things? How do you feel about certain things? Lack of communication could have been an issue in the connection as well. Now again, you can always think happy thoughts around that as well, as if everything is perfect between the two of you, how exactly you want it to be. Think of those things, think of those thoughts, and so they become the new reality for the two of you in this connection. Let's take the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to suggest. So we do have 3 alphabets: P, D, and C. It could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. There is a lot of toxicity right now, or could be in, or could have been in the connection. Because of their work, maybe because of the situations that they were not talking to you proper way, maybe. But as you dance, as you relax, as you let the universe take its due time to bring you your person prepared for marriage, things will get easy and smooth for you. Things will change very quickly for you. All you need to do on your part is stop chasing this person, start working on yourself, start believing in your dreams, and that's all you need to do right now to get what you want with your person. Trust me, they will come back, getting rid of the turbulence and this connection that they bring into it. They will be ready to have a smooth flight with you forever. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also purchase a set of affirmations if you want in your particular situation, which can work faster than your own affirmations because they would be spiritually charged. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.